Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can create this type of functionality in your WordPress website. For example, if we click on this button, now here you can see we can get more content. And after that if I click here, so now again it is collapsed. So now let's go back and try to use this unfold widget. So make sure that you have installed Elementor WordPress plugin. After that you can go and install a free plugin, unlimited elements for Elementor, and you can use this widget free of cost. So you can install this plugin and after that click on activate button. Now let's go to widgets, this one, and scroll down. Here you can see these are the different types of widgets, but now if we go and start adding widgets, that will not work. So we need to install widgets from here. Here you can go and search for unfold. So this one is the widget that you can install and easily use. And now let me add some content from here. So now here you can go and start adding this widget, unfold content. If you scroll down, then click on content tab. So now let me change this content color, style tab, and then go to typography and title color. So this should be white, and also for the text color. Okay, now it's looking fine. Now let me go back and grab all of this content from this section, then click on content tab and here add this content. So now if I click on this button, read more, here you can see it's working fine. In this way you can easily use this unfold widget in your Elementor WordPress website.